过油了，往那边去。外边看到没？外边水更高。太阳外边。打电话给俺311，叫俺311报警。现在已经到格勒邦那头建邦。这是几级了？
啥都翻了。
这是地的路。
啊，那个桥。
战地记者来了，你看这车。
Oh my God!
The flooding in Western Europe is a catastrophe of historic proportions. Satellite images are often one of the best ways to grasp the scale of natural disasters. But when we tried looking at it from above, all these images showed were clouds, clouds, and more clouds. So we tapped a Finland-based company called ISAI. Their radar imaging technology can see through clouds to capture in real time the magnitude and nature of the flooding on the ground. This is Erftstadt in Germany, one of the towns most heavily affected by the flooding. This radar image shows the floodwater as black masses here. One key detail is a field on the edge of this neighborhood. On July 15th, it is flooded. Next to it is a quarry. A second image, taken 24 hours later, reveals that the walls of the quarry have collapsed. The resulting landslide has swallowed houses, cars, and roads. Across the border in the Netherlands, this image shows the city of Maastricht. There is flooding near the town center and north of the city, close to the airport. A drone captured the scene on the ground. Here are government buildings. This used to be a harbor. And this, an RV park.
In het begin hadden we niet het idee dat het water zo ver zou komen in de straat hier. Maar gaandeweg de avond zie je natuurlijk wel dat het dramatische vormen aanneemt.
Er is helemaal niks gespaard gebleven. Alles is weg.
With some European villages still cut off by the flooding, radar technology could help gauge the water's impact in remote areas and guide rescue efforts. Hundreds are still missing, and death tolls are expected to continue to rise as emergency workers make their way through the wreckage.